feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited like usual, but at the same time, you know, it's disappointing, but I'm pretty happy overall to just, you know, as you can see in the description, we sold the C5. Took a huge L. Hooked somebody up. They're gonna rebuild it. They're gonna enjoy it. Good for them. I spent a lot of money trying to do it myself. Rather just recoup, keep moving forward. But yeah, today's a little video. The guy's coming to pick it up right now. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna say goodbye to the C5. No longer use that shop anymore. And yeah, we're just gonna move forward and see what the next project is. Woo! Honestly, I'm thinking I'm not gonna do another project. I think I'm just gonna get that Ranger going, start the Ranger build. Maybe we just drift the Ranger. I mean, why not? I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, that's what's going on today. Basically, meeting up with the guy. He says he's about 10-15 minutes out, and you know, go over there, have him check it out, and hopefully everything goes good. He gives me the cash. And we go from there. So I'll see you guys in a bit when he pulls up. Let's go. Man, them cold starts are nasty, boy, nasty. Hold on, copyright, my jam is on. Hold on. Woo! Man, that key sweat goes hard. You know me, I'll be bumping the oldies, love jams. That's all I do. I roll around in my Benz bumping love jams because I'm always just in love and happy, feeling myself and just always in a good one. But yeah, no. All right, let's go pull up and meet this dude right now. Sheesh. What the hell is that? So yeah, I'm pulling up right now, and just want to show you guys. I got the pink slip, and you can see it's a clean title. Okay, it's in my name, ready to go. Look at that. Even got that release paper, and then got the key. All right, just pulled up right here to the Corvette. This is the pink slip, so you can check it out, and I'll open it up. Yes, sure. So it's just been sitting, but you want me to start it right now, or do you want to check some things out first, or?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, pop the hood. That way you can check the motor. Pretty much, nothing crazy. Yeah, so yeah. I know what you want to hear is the knock. So
I'll be honest, I'm not even too worried about it, dude. I already know what I'm getting into, right? It's
pretty much
simple stuff. So
pretty much. Goes away.
Yeah, I know.
And then it'll stay running quiet like that this whole time, and no smoke. That's a cold start.
Yeah.
So there, I mean, not even a little bit of smoke. And there's no, the cats are gutted, and it has full exhaust. I have cats though for it, but that's a full gutted exhaust system right now.
Oh, really?
So for no smoke at all.
Yeah.
So yeah, the cats, I punched them out, and then so there's manifold to the cats, and then there's just the mufflers. So you can smell the,
right.
You know what I mean? But for no smoke, I mean, that's pretty good. I mean, like I said, just registered, I just smogged it the right way. And so I have the other X pipe with the cats on it at my dad's house. If you want them, you can have them. Corvette.
And then you said the reverse grinds over.
Yeah, watch. I can show you how I do it, or you can try it yourself, and I'll just watch. Just turn it on.
Oh, yeah.
I'll just show you how I do it. Not even knocking right there.
Yeah.
If it was a kid, didn't know anything, you could sell this car. Okay, so put your foot on the clutch.
Yep.
Put it in first. Okay, now take it out. Now go all the way over to reverse and watch. It won't go in. That's not reverse. All the way over. No, no, no. You're right.
Okay.
All the way over and then up. 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 Yeah. Try to go back. Let's see if you're in reverse. Yeah. Try it. Oh yeah. So you're not in. So now go to well, you grinded it in now. So now watch. The next way to do it is pull it back out. Put it in second. And then now put it in third. And then go into reverse. And just hold it as you're going. See? When you go into third, then it doesn't grind, but you gotta hold it. Now, fifth, when you're rolling, will grind as well. But that's only, and like I said, I was told that has something to do with the reverse lockout. But again, I'm not gonna sit there and say yes, that's what it is, you know.
Right, right.
So, but and then the AC should still be working, but I think it has a leak in the system. I added Freon and it works, but radio works. Well, that's it. She's a roller.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Okay, so the second part of this video is we're picking up my boy C7. The one, if you look back at a few videos ago, I put headers on it. Looks like he needs, we live in California and he needs to pass smog. So he's paying me to take the long tube headers off and put on the stocks. So we're gonna pick up a C7. We get to go for a little drive right now. And the cool thing is I've been wanting to drive a C7 again so I can get a feel for it, because I might get a C7Z. Nah, probably not. If I'm getting any Z06, it's gonna be a C6Z. But anyways, that's what we're gonna go do right now. So let's go pick this car up. And yeah, that's about it. Ooh, she's dirty. Dang it. Oh yeah, that's fine. Get it. You guys remember it? I think it's been parked since the last time you guys seen it on my video. I'm surprised the battery hasn't died. It's been sitting so long.
I start every now and then. I'll just let it sit.
Sheesh.
Should I just throw it on?
So this is the bottom downpipe. He's gonna bring the header manifold now, and we'll have to put it all together. It is not gonna sound like that anymore. Your neighbor's gonna be like, it's all quiet now.
That's like 30 miles from empty. Want me to give you a 20 or what? Put some gas in it?
Yeah. This should be safe. Phew, so we're in the C7. My boy. Letting me take it. Well, I gotta work on it, obviously. I gotta change the headers out, but I'm dropping it off tonight so that it's nice and cold in the morning when I go work on it, because I don't want it to be hot. So now we gotta wait to just get it out of here. I love traffic. So there's no gas in it. We gotta put some gas, but I mean, it drives super smooth. But I would have to say, like, my biggest discrepancy is the seating position in this car is extremely uncomfortable. Like, I'm not able to sit as far back as I like in my C6s and stuff. Like, I'm all the way reclined back right now, and I'm sitting as far back as I can, and I just feel squished in this car right now. I feel real confined, and you know, like, I think that would be fine for, you know, like, you know, going to the store and back, but like as a personal car, like this is, I think it's just too small for me. I don't know. We'll see. I really like them though. I mean, they look nice, they're newer, it's cool, it's fun. They're not that fast, but you know, if I get the Z, you know, that's fast, but, and I definitely would want a manual, but still sounds good. But it's gonna be all quiet now after. So, all right, I'll catch you guys once I pull up to my dad's house. Sheesh! I had to pull over and get gas, almost ran out. just pulled up. Stay tuned for the video on this one. Got some cool shit going on with that, but yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Appreciate everybody who's following along. Hopefully you guys are excited for what's gonna happen next. But yeah, so that's gonna do it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's go. You.